Okay, I record. Okay. So topic 5. Okay, I share now. Okay, you guys see the screen? We will only go through lecture around 30 minutes. Then we start with the tutorial exercise. The tutorial exercise that I already give to you. Not the module exercise, but the tutorial exercise. Okay. So, okay. Have I shared this to e-learning? This one, this slide. Have I shared to e-learning? Do you guys get it? Put thumbs up at WebEx if you want. This one is you already get it. This one. Eh? Nadira, of course, no. You just join. The rest. Do you get? Diana, Shakira, dah ada ke ni? This slide, this one. Is this at e-learning already or not? I think
like no, doctor.
Belum lagi ke?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Means that if on the 10th, for the 10th April, I didn't share anything yet. Okay, take note. Okay, even the slide not yeah. Sorry, I'm very old. Shit, forget je. All people like this lah. Okay. So we stop until wait. Where do we stop? Itu pun saya lupa. Is this? I think we stop at here. Okay. So we stop at here. Okay. So you see from my from e-learning. Okay, from e-learning. So I put here. Please watch. Wait. Okay. We go to the reminder for this today's class, 13 April. 7:30. Quiz. This where is it? Okay, this one. So please watch this before coming to class. So this video, if you click, it will go to the combinational. Okay, maybe someone need to. I keep forget to install AdBlock. Okay, so this one is the combinational logic network where I discuss about the minterm and the maxterm. Okay, so I hope you watch this video. You watch it already or not? Can you put thumbs up those that already watch it? Because I will not go through this from the beginning, because the video is already there. Only 2%. How about the others? Joey watch, Hibat, the rest? Are you not watch it? Why you don't watch? I only do summarization, to be honest, because I don't want to make the video longer. You will, student, the problem, we cannot satisfy all students. Student will say, complain to me, doctor, your video is too long. Doctor, your video should be longer. So we cannot satisfy everyone. Okay. But the logical part is that this one has been covered, so it's not will not be covered again in detail because it's already covered. I even write down here. Okay, so today we're going to do this, but very brief. Then we continue directly with tutorial exercise. Tutorial exercise is this one. We will discuss this together inside the class using the Padlet. Okay. I think the Padlet I also give. Just where is the Padlet? This one. Okay, for today. Okay. Okay. So this is the group exercise. not the quiz exercise, tutorial exercise. Okay. Okay, now we go first to this. Okay. So why in canonical form in detail, please look at my lecture, okay, about canonical form in detail, okay, in detail. So canonical form is a standard form. So we have two types for two versions of canonical form. We have SOP and POS, okay. Okay, so we have SOP POS. This one is means it is a sum of products. Sum of product means sum of products, means we have products, means multiply inside. So example, we have example we have AB plus AB bar plus AB bar, this one, okay. And this one is product of sum, means that product of sum inside, okay. So you can have, for example, you can have A plus B multiplied by A plus B bar plus A bar plus B bar. Okay, so this is complement. Okay, so we have SOP and POS. Okay, SOP relate to what we call as min term. Okay, later I discuss, and also if you watch video, actually you know I already discussed this very detailed. Okay, and then we have another one we call to relate with POS. We have max term. Okay, in the meantime, the one is considered as the true value, and 0 is referred to the complement. For example, if you have A, B, if you have okay, never mind, this one I will go later. And then for the max term, the true will be 0 and the 1 will be the complement. Okay, the complement. Now we see the difference. Okay, the difference. For example, let's say we have two variable inputs. Okay, let's say we have input A connected to logic gate unknown and input B connected to logic gate B. Then together they sorry, no, not clear. Wait, okay, let's say you have input of A, then you have input of B, then it go through the logic gate of unknowns, and then you have output of F. Okay, so here let's say you have your A and B. Okay, then you have your F. Okay, so we go for logic 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, and then 0 0 for example, let's say we have 1 0 0 1, for example. So because we don't know the function, so okay, so now for the min term, it must be the one. Okay, for the min term, the way we describe, okay, in the min term, all variable must present. All variable must present. In max term, all variable must present. What does it mean? If you have variable A, for example, if you have variable A, B, C, D, up to 4 inputs, your answer must have A, for example, for the min term, A, B, plus plus A. You cannot suddenly have only A, B, C plus A, C, B. You need to have complete 4 steps. literal. Understand me or not? Only this we call them min term or max term. The all variable need to present. Understand? So until now, Nadira and I'm sure you shocked because you just joined. But I hope you will better later on. Okay, you need to work hard, Nadira and Shaira. Please do all within this week because my class is very fast and every week we will have different. So I hope after today's class you will do your own catch up over the weekend. Okay, is it okay, Nadira, Shaira? I'm sure you shocked right now because you just attend and some more you are from other programs. Okay, but please catch up. Inshallah, if anything problem, you can ask your friend and you can ask me. The rest, do you guys understand? It's midterm must have all variable present. Okay, you cannot have suddenly only 3 like this. Understand? Regardless it is with bar or without bar, but all variable must present in a literal. Okay. How can I see the chat? Because I want to see you. I don't want to be the only one talking to the wall. Because if student don't understand, it's not me, it's you that will be the problem. I'm not going to uh, I'm not going to sit for the test. Okay. Okay. Next. So for example, for the F, for the midterm, it is SOP. Okay. Now I go for the midterm. For the midterm, it is SOP, sum of product, which is this one. Okay. So the way we describe for the midterm, for example, we only take the one that having function of 1, having output function 1. Okay. For the midterm is that for the first one is A0, B0. And because it is sum of products, so sum of product plus, you only have 2 functions that have output of 1. So you have one is 0, A0, B0. A0, B0 is complement. So you have A, B bar. Okay, A bar, B bar. The next one, this one. So it is considered one as true value. So it is A, B to represent this one. And then if you want to compile the function, okay, if you want to compile the function into a more simplified form, okay, this one is actually M0. This one is M1. This one is M2. This one is M3. Okay, so A bar, B bar is actually M0, smaller. There is different, so be careful, you guys. Midterm using small letter M. Max term using capital letter M. Understand? Muhammad Mashrur, understand or not? Muhammad Mashrur, have you watched my video? The previous one, the 2021. Have you watched it? Muhammad Mashrur? Have you watched it? Muhammad Mashhur Al-Midan. You watched my 2021 lecture? Not all of it? No, not all. Just for today. I asked to watch this one. This one. This one. Did you watch? You guys watch this? You guys need to watch this before coming to class. But okay. I will do summarization. Okay. Because detail is already here. Very detailed. Okay. So okay, so M0 and the next one is M3. Okay, it's good, honest. You don't lie to me. It's good. You're honest, not all of it. But please watch it, okay? You guys have the advantage over your senior because the video is available for you. You even can watch even before I told you. But senior, no. They have to wait me record and they see later. You guys already have that. If you want to excel more in the subject, you just the material is already there, okay? So this is the midterm, small letter m. And then if we want to compile again, we use this function, summation. And this is 0, and this is 3. Okay. So far so good. Understand? Or you guys have question? So far so good. I think this is pretty clear. Understand? If you guys understand, thumbs up. If not, I will pick your name and ask you. Okay. Otherwise, I will pick your name. It's even more. Okay. So the next one is that the max term. Okay. So I write this down. The next one is max term. Max term is product of sum. Max term is product of sum. So in max term, 0 is true value, complement is one value. So and then for max term, we focus on the function put 0, which this one. Okay. So we write again for f, but for max term, and max term is product of sum. So it will be look like this, product of sum. So product of sum. Okay, sorry. Product of sum. Okay, I put only two because there is only only two answer. Okay. Now this is product of sum. So for max term we focus on output function 0, 0, 0 like this. So we have this and this that have given output 0. Okay, and then 0 for true value. So for this a plus b, which is one, complement means bar, and the next one is this one, a bar plus b, which is 0. 0 is considered as true value. Okay, and then if we want to make it even more, if we want to simplify further, this one is actually the first. This one is 0. This one is first. This one is second. And this one is third. Okay, so 0. So this one is 1 and 3 and 2. Okay, and if we want to simplify further, for the min term it's summation, but for the max term it will be like this, look like pi. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay. So this is max term, and for the max term, the different again, another difference is that this is capital M. Okay, so different. When you writing, if you don't write properly, I will cut mark, or maybe other lecturer will cut mark, because final we don't know what is the mode of marking. Maybe team marking. Team marking is actually all the lecturer will mark your question set. It is more fair actually, but means that if I get used to your writing skill, maybe I'm okay. But the other lecturer, they just see your writing for the first time. So make sure you write properly here. Small letter M like this, capital letter M like this. Okay. Although I know you're not kindergarten, but I just want to make sure to repeat again. Okay. Because this actually have different. This one is max term. This one is min term. Okay. So we done with that. Okay. I already speak there. Okay. This one also already. This one also. Oh, this one is just extension. This one just extension of from 2 variable to 3 variable. So you see here, this is the min term. Okay, this is a canonical SOP in terms of a min term. What is happening? Okay, nervous aku. Nervous saya. Ingat hilang dia. So min term, this one is min term. Nervous lah. Aduh, hai. This one is min term. You know, all people, I better use whiteboard. So min term, so this min term means we use a small m. So you see here, we focus on function that having output of 1 for midterm 1, which is M0, M2, M6, and M7. So here. Then they simplify further to M0s to 6, 7. The writing is different. Please take note of that. And then for the max term, max term, tak ada ni. Okay, good. Good, it doesn't have. So, the same example, copy. Okay, I give as an exercise. Canonical, now we have canonical. This one I gave you as an exercise. Okay, canonical XOP M. Okay, because the slide is not complete, but it's okay, it's good. So that you guys can make exercise. Okay. Then I ask what it's about. How about for max term? Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay. I put the question there. Okay. For this one. Okay. Red color. And to make it big. This one. Okay. Then no outline. Okay. So this is mixed term. Okay, the next canonical from none. Canonical. Okay. So if you have the function that is this one already covered as well, already covered as well by my lecture, 2021 lecture. Okay. So now if we want to have what is the tajuk just now? Canonical from none. Okay. So we have what we learned until now is that for the canonical and for the midterm and max term, the variable must present. Am I correct? All variable. If you have A, B, if you have Z, even means one, you have until 26. Okay. So if you want this one, if you want to convert canonical, convert from none canonical. Okay. So for example, if you have function, for example, if you have function f equals to a b bar c plus a b a plus b a, sorry, plus ab. Okay. By the look of it, what is the maximum variable? The maximum variable, how many variables we have here? And how many variable we have inside? How many variable we have inside? I mean, how many variable we have for this equation? Any variable? Can you guys respond? What is the how many variable? Is it how many? How many is the variable here? WebEx chat. What? How many is the variable? What is the maximum variable exist in this question? Can you guys respond to the WebEx? It's okay to make mistake, huh? If you make mistake, only then you learn. But if you wait for me to spoon feed every time, spoon feed, you know yourself, spoon feed is not a key to success. Okay, easy lah. You guys know also, I don't want to repeat lah. Okay. So the answer for this question is actually maximum 3 variable. What does it mean by maximum 3 variable? You have A, you have B, you have 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable. 3. Now, regardless of how many literal you have. Okay. Now, okay. So you have 3 variables, F, A, B, C. But for the canonical, we want all. We want all variables to be present in each of these. Okay. So if you notice, the variable is not exist in total for this one and this one. So that's why we need to implement some. We need to expand it, cover all the variable, because all variable must present only that it is valid or canonical, minterm, and for okay, you need to have all variable present. So this one, no problem. It's already present for ABC, regardless if it's inverted or non-inverted. And this one, okay, you need to add. If you watch my previous lecture, you know already. Watch my previous lecture. Diana, kita tengok Diana. Diana dah tengok ke?
Dah.
So kat sini apa saya patut buat?
Darab 1.
Darab 1. Sebelah ni sama juga dah kan? Satu. Okay, after that what should I do? This one. Tahu, ingat lagi tak? Tahu tak apa yang saya patut buat lepas ni?
1 tu jadi C plus C bar.
Okay, correct. Because C plus C bar based on our we learn is H equals to 1. Okay. Thank you, Joey. How about this one? How about this one, Joey? Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Times C plus C bar.
C plus C bar also. Okay. Let's say, okay. Joey, okay, I give it a bit different. Okay, I give it different. Wait, you don't run away. Wait. Okay. Let's say I give it a bit different here is A C bar. Okay, so this one is A C bar times 1. So what should be here?
B plus B bar.
B plus B bar. Okay. So because B plus B bar equals to 1. Okay, thank you, Joey. Okay. So this one is all variable present, so you need to expand it. So then you introduce this person. You introduce this in order to make sure all of this have the variable present. Then A B bar C plus A bar B plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus A B bar C. Okay. Some of them are repetition in such a way that you already have this function. So if it's repetition, you need to remove it, because from the concept that we learned previously, A plus A will still result in A. AB plus AB still result in AB. If there is repetition, you need to convert them only to 1, because it's still the same. This is not like usual mathematics. This one is not mathematics. This one is digital electronics. Okay. So we see if there is any similarities. We see A B bar C. You don't have A bar B C. No. A bar B C bar. No. Okay. So this one is totally, each of them have 1. So you have this already with all ABC present, regardless it is inverted or non-inverted. Okay. Then this one is copy, sum of product, right? Sum of product, because sum. I should use different color maybe. Sum of product. Okay. So now it is maybe not in order. Okay, this one is let me see. Okay, we see this one. So this one is actually 101. Okay. Are you this is This one is SOP. So this is 101. So this is what? You dah belum tengok video kan? But you can see this one. If this is 101, then this is what? You can put a way back. Anyone? This is what? If this is 101, then how about this? Ayu, Najwa, Akila. Ayu, we don't have M. M, no. So this one 011. Okay, correct. How about this one? Wait. You guys wait for one. Okay, 10 minutes 10 minute rest wait for one. Someone come. Sorry. 10 minutes I come back later. 10 minutes. We come at continue at 3. Someone come to installation. That's why maybe you guys later on we heard some sound. Okay, but we continue at 3. Okay. Okay, finally I can speak. Okay. Okay, finally I can speak. Oh my god. Okay. So macam feel like I'm teaching deaf people cannot speak, cannot listen. Okay. So okay. Now we continue. Did I share the screen? Okay. So now we continue for the next exercise. Okay. So congratulations, you can do it. Okay. What is okay? The next draw the logic circuit. Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, can you guys share answer number 3? Answer number 3. Share answer number 3. Okay. So here you need to draw the logic circuit by using this expression. Okay. A bar x to no more than 5 units. Okay? You should only use 5 logic gates. Only 5 of 2 input. NAND gate. They already limit you. You only can use 2 input NAND gate. You only can use NAND gate with 2 input only. Okay. And after that, having to settle that, you need to write the corresponding Boolean expression represented by your network, by your logic circuit network. Okay. Okay, if you make mistake, this one we learn here. Okay, number 3. Can't hear you clearly. You can clear. Is it clear now, Akila? Now okay or not? Now. Okay, now okay. Okay, so now try to share question. Number 3. Number 3. If it's okay if you guys make mistake, we learn from mistake. So try to share number 3. This one ignore lah. This one if Okay, so first of all, let we see the answer that made by some of the students. So I aware some of you guys don't know how to solve, but we see the student that able to do it first. Okay, so you guys listen to my voice or not? Is it clear? My voice?
Doktor.
Okay, clear. Okay, okay. Now we see, okay, the student that managed to do it. Okay, the question is about you need to implement no more than 5 units. Mean you need to use maximum 5. If you use 6 logic gate, means your answer is already wrong. But if you use 3 logic gate, 4 logic gate, still okay, because maximum is 5. So you can use up to 5 logic gate. And then the gates is also limited. You should only use 2 input NAND gate. Okay. Okay, let's go for the one that those have done it. Okay, to realize this function, A bar exclusive or B bar. Okay, so we go for those that have done it. I don't know who have done it. Akila. Okay, Akila. Okay, we see her work. Okay, so she do A, then connect to this NAND gate, and then after that, this A connect to the other ones. Wait, we go for this one first. A, this one connect to here, and then after that there is another link here going to here. Okay, this one. Okay, I think correct, but you can check me later, Akila. But thank you, Akila, at least, for trying. Okay, although whether it's correct or not is different. Sorry, at least you try. Okay, so it's but look correct. Look correct. I need to see later. Okay, now how about the looks correct? At least you follow the instruction using maximum 5 NAND gate maximum. You cannot use more than 5, which is 6, 7, 8. Okay, other than Akila, who else have done it? Oh, Joey, you didn't do it? Joey, where's Joey? Joey, do you do it or not?
I also don't know how to do.
Oh, okay. So good, means there is question you guys don't know. Okay, I thought you guys know everything. No. No, it's okay. It's okay. That's why I'm here. Okay, that's why I'm here. No worry. That's why you need lecturer. Okay, no worry. So, let me see the question. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. So this is the question. Draw the logic circuit represented by the expression FAB, A exclusive or B. Okay, this one. So means that is exclusive or, but your input should be A bar B bar. So if we want to follow, if we want to sketch this one first, okay, if we want to sketch this one first we need to know this is an XOR circuit. So you will have an XOR, okay, XOR firstly. Then you have two inputs, which is A bar and B bar. So this is the original, the most simplified one. Okay, this is from understanding this. Now, what you need to do is that you need to expand. Okay, first you have A. Okay, sorry, a bit uncomfortable writing on the screen. Right? A plus B bar and XOR. Okay, XOR. Then you need to expand the XOR function. Okay, then you get is actually A B bar plus A B bar. Okay. Then because this is about NAND gate, NAND gate means likewise this is the NAND gate, two input NAND gate. So you have the inverter here. So means that this question have an inverter as well. Sorry. This one, you should put some inverter because remember this n is with inverter and the question is doesn't restrict you to use what method. So this one, if you see this one, what? Okay, now I want to ask you, what actually changed something? What law changed something from sum to multiply? From multiply to sum. What is it? What law? Try to guess. What law of Boolean actually changing plus to multiply or multiply to plus in the event of in the exist in the present of inversion, in the present of bar. What rule is that?
De Morgan theorem.
Yes, it's De Morgan. So this why you use De Morgan. So now slowly is that you see you learn that a bar is equal to a. Am I correct? Now we don't want to change this. Nothing can be, don't change anything, but you apply the double bar because it's still the same, doesn't change, right? So because a double bar is still a, then you change like this. Okay, put this, and you have a bar, then you have a b bar plus a b. Okay, then you break this. Okay, you break this into the multiplication. So far so good. Understand? Understand? So far so good or not? So far okay or not? Say okay at the Webex chat. Webex chat. Because I cannot see too many screen. Understand until now? Okay. So you can see this one is already in terms of n. Okay. This one is in terms of n. So a b bar. So first you have your a, you have your b. Okay. This one is a bar b bar. Means a bar b bar. To get an a bar is you can use like this. This one is a bar. Okay. And then it needs to be multiplied with b. It needs to multiply with b, but don't forget the inverted bar. So next, it needs to be connected with b. Okay, and then you have your bar. And then you have your bar means another name. Okay, so settle with this. Okay, and then the next is a with b bar. So a you need to write like this. Okay, now I teach you guys to properly draw. If this is taken from here, you need to put like this. If it's not connected to this, you should put like this. Drawing. I teach you guys to make it wrong. Okay? Otherwise, if you draw like this, see if it's connected, you know. Okay, enough with that. So now we have A bar, A, B bar. So this one is B bar. The next part is B bar first, B bar first. Okay, this one is B bar. Okay, this one is A. Okay, and then you have B bar here, and then you have A. So A. Okay, and don't forget is a bar. So you bar all. Okay, then you get what? Then you get your A, B. Okay, after that, the last one, you need to bar everything. So Understand? Understand this? Okay. So if you guys understand, give me a clap. If you guys understand, give me a clap. You give me a clap. Okay. Okay. So try and okay. Okay, we will finish. I mean, what? Wait, where is the other exercise question? Wait, I want to see. Okay, number 4. Is there any difficulty, or you want answer for number 4 later on? Number 4. Number 4, simplify the presentation part. Oh, okay, okay. You want to discuss now or not? Maybe I discuss now because we have no more. No more time. Can we discuss now? Number 4. Means you don't need to paste. I will do explain. Okay. You don't need to share your answer. Otherwise, we waste time. Okay. Do now. Do you guys see it? Oh, I know. Share the screen. Wait, I go now so that we because we have no more time. We have no more time. Okay, wait. You share the screen. Okay, so we go briefly to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is consider the following circuits. Okay, this one. So obtain the Boolean equation. The Boolean equation for number 4. Okay. So this one is NOR gate. This one is AND gate. This one is OR gate. This one AND gate. This one is OR gate. So you just, I think you just answer. Okay, you just answer. F A plus C bar plus B. Anyone, you get, if you get the answer, say yes. If you get the answer the same with me. If not, you say no at WebEx chat. You just get the same answer. How about the rest? Only Joey and Nurul Aina, the rest? How about it? Do you guys do or not? The important thing is you guys do, not for me. I already have degree, master, PhD is for you. Okay. So good. Okay. So good means everyone can do it. Alhamdulillah. Okay, everyone can do it. The next is simplify the Boolean equation in part A. No, this one is already simplified. Okay. So this one is already. Sketch and complete the output waveform given below. Okay. So this will be like F. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Now, what you should do is that, okay, we finished, but what you should do is that, go to your e-learning, submit your answer here, all of you. For example, Joey, then just PDF your answer here. You put your file here, advanced. How to put the file? Manage file. Okay, manage file and upload. Understand? You just do now so that I can know who student do or not. Okay, can you guys do now? Go to that that Padlet in your e-learning, and then put your name, and then manage file, then upload your answer in PDF. Okay, I give around 5 minutes. Okay.